Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm making super cute macrame earrings. I'm using 22 and 28 gauge artistic wire and the Beadalon tying station to hold my wires in place. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, the nylon jaw pliers, and the bail making pliers. We will start with about 8 inches of 22 or 20 gauge artistic wire, and we will bend it in the middle with our round nose pliers. We want to just have it halfway, and then we're going to put that fold into the Beadalon tying station to hold it in place. Clamp it in place, and from there we'll get our 28 gauge wire, and we're going to bring it around and start our square knots. And you want to pull it fairly tightly if you want a nice tight weave. So we're alternating back and forth, bring the wire over and under and through to make a nice flat square knot. Bring it over, under and through, alternating from left to right with our knots. If you do them all in the same direction, you're going to get a twist, but if you alternate the direction, you will have a nice flat weave going down. And you can make this as long as you want. You can also make rings in the same manner. I'll link up some other tutorials below. You can find the templates for the square knot linked up below. We're going to remove the base wires, and I'm just going to round out the top to make a more centered loop. You can do this beforehand if you prefer. We're going to make it more rounded so we can put the earring hook. And from there, we're going to pinch it with the nylon jaw pliers and finish the ends just by winding them around once and clipping them. And pinch it with the nylon jaw pliers. So there we have our basic weave there. And I'm going to put on a 6mm faceted glass bead, clip it to about 1¼ inches, clip the end flush, the end that comes through the bead, and do a spiral. Take the end with the round nose pliers, bring it around in a closed loop, get the nylon jaw pliers, work that spiral up towards the bead, and it's going to hold it in place. You could actually clip the other wire beforehand. I was going to try to wind it around and realized there was too much wire. So go ahead and clip that wire before you even do the spiral. We can push the spiral up a little more to make sure it's really firmly in place and centered underneath that faceted bead. Wiggle it around, make sure it's in the right position. And I'm going to get some homemade earring hooks. I'll link up the tutorial for the hooks in the description below the video. There's our beautiful pair of macrame earrings. And I'll link up my beginner wire weaving ebook where you can find all the templates for the macrame jewelry. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.